Very bad.
Yes, yes, okay. This okay.
Yeah.
It's today. Okay, today it's so around. Okay, can you
Vill ni vara med eller inte?
meet together? Okay, okay. Yes. And today is the people and the short yourself. Introduce yourself.
Yes. Okay, so my name is Hjalmar. I'm from Sweden.
Oh, Sweden.
And I came here to Korea,
Wow.
partially to see Twice.
Wow. Before, can you coming to for this concert in Korea?
Yes, I came
Wow.
to... Yes.
The others, the purpose, the others, no plan.
Yes, well, I think Korea is a great country, and I thought that it would be cool to come here.
Yeah.
And there's also the Seoul Jazz Festival, so I thought I would check that out.
Oh.
And I had the opportunity to come, so I thought I would just see the country and try to see what it's about. I really like K-pop, so that's how
Oh, wow.
I've been introduced to the country.
Your passion is very the high level. I think your passion and your energy very high level. I think that your English level very fluent, very high level. Wow. He's from Sweden and coming to for showing this concert. Yes.
Yeah.
And how know you that in the Twice?
I like JYP very
Yeah.
much.
Wow.
So I've been watching 16.
Wow, 16.
Yes, so I saw them there.
Yeah.
I saw them get created, and then I've just really liked them. So I've followed them since then.
Wow. Yesterday I met in the from the Australia. He's from the Sweden.
Yeah.
It's very and Ocean and Europe is very the Asian, the very global people in Twice. I think they know that you. Why don't you? What do you think about the Twice? Why is the very famous in the world or the foreign people or foreign nation?
I think they make very catchy songs.
Yes.
And the members are very beautiful.
Yes, the member and the song. Yeah.
Yeah, and I just think they have a good concept, like the
Concept,
very energetic, and they make
Energetic.
happy music, make people happy when you listen to them.
The others, do you know the K group or BTS or no?
Yes, yes.
Boy group.
I've been listening to K-pop since 2011.
Oh, wow.
So I like a lot of JYP groups. I like Wonder Girls.
Yeah.
I like GOT7. I like Miss A, but I also like VIX, for example, and a lot of other groups.
You're near to Brandon. Do you know the K-pop of Sweden in Sweden?
I'm sorry?
The others, your friend near
Yes.
to your nation, K-pop is reality. The knew that.
Not really. We're a lot of Swedish people listen more to American music, but I have a few friends who really like it.
Oh yeah, I think that my nation and Korean of Republic and Sweden in the after and 30 days the Russian World Cup the football and the enemy.
Okay.
I think that I catch that.
Okay.
How about this the game though?
Well, I don't watch a lot of sports, so I don't really know. I'm sorry.
Yes. Okay. These people did. Yes. Okay. In last you're pre-talking and about this video, watching people you want to you want to talking and you are alone pre-talking time in the last.
Okay.
Okay.
What should I talk about?
Yeah.
Just anything.
Okay.
Well, I think Korea is a great country. I've been here
Yes.
for about a week now, and
Yes.
I've had really good times, really good food,
Okay.
just great weather. Everything's
Weather.
been really good. I'm definitely coming back here.
Okay. This season is very nice weather in Korean, but after 1 month, the raining always about the 2 weeks.
Okay.
This is Korean word 장마.
Okay.
It's always rain is 장마. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. In the end. Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Okay.
Bye bye.
Okay. Thank you for.